Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.